can interview me for my political opinions
Yeah, sure.
and put it on YouTube.
Yeah. I like this. I don't think any of the pavilions are this nice.
Fireplace.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of like Hopewell Park, this area, but it definitely is a little bit different than the than Brady's Run Park. I usually go this way.
Oh.
We're starting off this way because you know, like how Hopewell Park has that loop.
Yeah.
This is like kind of like the loop, but it goes in the woods. And they have this information center. This is where me and Courtney went to last time. I mean, this is like the one in Hopewell Park, but they have this little museum here. Well, not museum, I don't know. Now, here's something. Snakes of Pennsylvania.
So, yeah.
I forget, though, which one it was. That is the, is it the more colorful they are, they're more dangerous? Or is it the darker ones that are...
I don't know. They always say that. I don't know if it's true. I don't honestly know if that's true or not. Generally speaking, animals that are like red or whatever, with the red and white, red and black stripes, or red or brightly colored, that's a signal that they're fucking dangerous.
Yeah. I believe that. No, they just had this little thing here. I've seen one of those.
What?
A badger.
Where's a badger?
I've seen it walking around.
This one. That's a possum.
Okay, possum then. I saw this possum walking around in the neighbor's yard.
Oh, they're around our neighborhood.
Really?
There was one out there one time when, there was one in the yard underneath a bush, and all the cats were admiring it.
I know one time when I was when I was still living in Charlotte, North Carolina, they say that we deal with coyotes all the time.
Going down this way?
Yeah. No, but see, I like this park because of the way that the lake is and the way that the pine trees are. Yeah. That was like the cool shot I always liked. Right here. The trail just loops around, but I find it peaceful. Oh no, what do you think, Dad?
I like it. I like it.
But this water is like all full of algae.
It's what?
It's all full of algae.
Well, if you don't have the water move it, that's what happens.
Oh.
No, I mean, like why they got the swamps
Down south?
Carolina.
Oh yeah, the swamp is in South Carolina.
The water gets stuck and it doesn't have any place to go, and the house fills up.
Yeah, you definitely find swampland in South Carolina. North Carolina, not so much.
No, it's pretty swampy.
I think that house belongs to whoever owns this park.
Doesn't the township own the park?
I don't know.